Ever wondered about the secret behind the radiant glow of your favorite celebrities? Today, we're unraveling the mystery: natural oils. It's time to ditch those store-bought oils with unpronounceable ingredients and embrace the pure, potent beauty of homemade natural oils. Imagine, if you will, creating your own custom blend of oils tailored to your unique skin and hair needs. It's not a distant dream, but a reality within your reach. All it takes is a little creativity, some simple ingredients, and a dash of DIY spirit. The problem with many store-bought oils is that they're often packed with additives, preservatives, and other synthetic ingredients. These can dry out your skin and hair, causing more harm than good. But guess what? You have the power to change that. All you need to craft your own natural oil are a few essential items. First up, quality carrier oils. These can be coconut, jojoba, or even olive oil. Next, your choice of essential oils. These not only add a delightful fragrance but also bring their own unique benefits. Lavender for relaxation, tea tree for acne-prone skin, or rosemary for stimulating hair growth. The choice is yours. Last but not least, you'll need some glass bottles, a funnel, and a mixing bowl. Ready for some DIY magic? It's time to get hands-on. Start by pouring your chosen carrier oil into a glass bottle using a funnel. Next, add a few drops of your selected essential oils. Mix well, and voila! You've created your very own natural oil. Remember, the beauty of this process lies not just in the end result, but also in the journey. The act of creating something with your own hands, the aroma of essential oils filling the room, the anticipation of trying out your creation, it's an experience to savor. As we wrap up, let's revisit the perks of making your own natural oil. Not only do you get to control what goes onto your skin and hair, but you also get to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of natural oils. Hydration, nourishment, aromatherapy. The benefits are as diverse as the oils themselves. So why not give it a shot? Create your own natural oil and share your experiences. Together, we can inspire each other to embrace the beauty of DIY. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY beauty goodness. Till next time, stay radiant and keep shining.